How to fix games not opening in full screen in Windows. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do. What we want to do is press Alt and Enter on our keyboard to instantly force Windows into full screen mode whenever you have a game open. So go ahead and try that. And if it stays windowed, right-click the game's desktop shortcut or the main exe file. So let's just say I wanted to go ahead and do it with EA or Kingdom Hearts, let's say. All I'm going to do is right-click it, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to Show More Options, and then click on Properties. Once I'm here, go over and click the Compatibility tab once you find the exe, and then all you got to do is disable full screen optimizations. And if you can't find it, then let me just open up Steam, go to the library. Let's say I wanted to do it with Black Ops 3. All I got to do is go over to Manage and then Browse Local Files, which is going to open this up. Now I see the exe. Then go over to Properties, Compatibility, and then where it says Disable Full Screen Optimizations, I want to go ahead and check the box for this, like so. Then press Apply and then OK.